Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to our online teaching class and I have three students here, Joker Pong, Sakonti, Ramid, and Ramida. And our subject for today is science. And now we are still in Unit 5, which is home electricity. Okay, before we go to our topic, let's read three vocabulary words. So everyone, please turn on your microphone. Let us repeat after me. Indoor,
Indoor,
indoor.
indoor,
I can hear only Gia Yi. Very good. What's your number, Gia Yi?
two,
Two. Okay, very good. 10 points. Next one. Where are we now? Inside.
my room,
Very good. Next one. Avoid.
avoid,
Avoid.
Avoid.
avoid,
Inside.
li- liang,
Liang.
Again.
Liang.
Indeed, someone's coming. Come on.
Come on, Pat.
Next. Prevent.
Prevent.
prevent,
Prevent.
prevent,
Inside.
ป้องกัน
Again. Very
ป้องกัน
good. Everybody, okay, let us read indoor.
indoor,
Inside.
my room,
Avoid.
avoid,
ด้วย
หลีกเลี่ยง
เลี่ยง
Prevent.
prevent ป้องกัน
Very good. Next, everybody. Our topic for today is also about electrical safety. We use a lot of electrical devices in our homes. Okay, it means there's a huge chance that we might have electrical problems indoors too. Okay, for example, our computer, in your house, TV, microwave, washing machine, what else? Wi-Fi, internet, right? Is electricity, right? Refrigerator, electric gas stove. Sometimes we encounter electrical problems. Inside, problem inside. What do you call that? Problem. Panha, am I correct?
yes,
Sometimes the devices it's not working. For example, your refrigerator. Okay, your refrigerator inside. What do you call this one?
refrigerator ตู้เย็น
Very good. Sometimes the refrigerator, when you are going to open it, it's not cooling, it's not cold inside. Even you are going to plug it in the main socket, but it's not cooling, right? For example, another one, your microwave. Do you know microwave? Microwave inside.
microwave yes,
Wave, right?
microwave
Microwave. If you're going to plug it, it's not working. Okay? So sometimes we encounter electrical problems indoors too. We can have cut wires, right? You know cut wires, for example, okay, the wire here, okay, and it's cut. Do you think, can you see the TV? My screen here?
yes,
It's not working because of the electrical problem. Another one, circuit overload. So it means there are many plugs that they put in the main socket. So it's very dangerous also. It will explode. Boom. What's that? There are many now. Okay. Another one, smoke and fire from sockets. Because the main socket, after you use it, okay, while you are using, okay, make sure after you use the devices, you are going to unplug it. Don't leave the main socket that uh, plug because it will cause what do you call this one? Heat. And if it's too much heat, it can cause fire. Fire inside. Fire. Inside,
fire
what do you call it? Fire inside?
fire
Hi, very good. Okay, except of the refrigerator, okay? Another one, not working light bulbs. For example, for example, right? If you are going to switch on but it's not working, turn it on, turn it off and not working, sometimes the switch they have problem. Sometimes the light bulbs they have problem. So what are you going to do? You're going to change it, right? Your father or you're going to call
Mother.
okay, mother, right? And if this problem cause, it can cause electric shock. Okay, when you are not going to check it. Okay, next one. What not to do with the electricity indoors? So you're not going to do this one, huh? Number one, don't stick scissors, pens, fingers, or anything else into the main socket or plug devices. Okay? Don't stick anything, your fingers, if you're going to use the spoon, or don't plug it by yourself. Ask permission to your mother or to your father. Ask for help. Because if you're going to play to the main socket, it might dangerous, too much dangerous. Some children, they die inside because they are playing the electricity. They put their fingers on the electricity. They are going to use what? Fork. Do you know fork? Oh, am I correct?
Y-E-S.
Spoon. Okay, it's not correct. If you are going to do this one, it can cause electric shock and you are going to die. Okay, it's not good. Another one, don't touch switches with wet hands. For example, you are in the toilet, you wash your hands, you took a bath, you have your wet hands, and you're going to switch on
May
the
I know
lights.
water, please?
It can cause electric shock. Also, don't plug devices with wet hands.
Teacher, may I know water, please?
You can go to the toilet. Okay. So if it's wet and you're going to plug it, the electric shock will flow. And if you're going to touch it, it will spark. Okay. Don't touch switches with wet hands. Another one, don't use electrical things near water. For example, okay, you are in the toilet. That's why in your toilet, okay, they don't have switches. If they have switches, very dangerous. If you're going to use there, it can cause electrical shock or electric shock devices. If you're going to if you're to put the socket near the water, it's not good. Or for example, while you are working, right? Your iPad, your computer, then you have water here, or you have smoothie, and you put on your laptop. Okay, it can cause electrical shock. Don't overload socket or extension wires. Don't do this one. Okay, it will explode.
Teacher, I don't do
Okay,
that because I don't have that.
because look, if it's extension wires, this one, extension wire, and you're going to put here only one, then you're going to put so many. It's loaded already, it will burn. Do you
Teacher, I have
understand?
one, but I don't use it so much. I
You
use
can use only
only,
two, only three, it's fine.
but
Okay, but
I
don't
use
use
only, only two.
two, it's fine. But if it's too many, it's overload. Oh no, it will burn this one. Okay,
Sometimes
to the
I
main socket.
use one.
It
Sometimes.
will burn. It can cause fire. Another one, don't leave devices plugged and attended. Example of this, like your charger, right? For example, I'm going to leave this one. And some students, oh, I'm going to unplug. Then you're going to touch it. It's ground already. Going to die. Okay? Don't leave because other children, like for example, your baby brother, your baby sister, you have that one, then they're going to play and you leave it and touch it. It can cause electric shock. Okay? Another one, we should always be careful when using electricity. You should know that. And now I'm going to play a video about the safety of the electrical devices. Okay, so please turn off your microphone first and let's watch this.
My essay written, and I've been working on it for about a week. So now I'm going to show you how I use Grammarly to edit.
Stay safe together. Hey there. Psst. No, down here. Shocked? Don't be. I'm just the outlet you need to turn on the lights, watch TV, charge your phone, even play games on the computer. They all run through me with electricity. But I'm here to tell you that electricity can run through a lot of other things too, because it's always trying to get to the ground as fast as possible. So it'll travel through conductors like metal, water, wood. Electricity can even travel through you too. That's why you've got to play it safe and sound when electricity's around. So come on, come in.
In there?
Sure. Let's explore my top 5 that can keep you alive. Let's see. Why don't we start with
How about number 1?
number 1? That's a good place to begin. It's simple. Never, ever, ever stick metal objects into an outlet or anything running on electricity, like a computer, a game, or especially an old kitchen appliance, like a toaster.
Yeah, I like to eat toast, but I don't want to be toast.
Okay, number 2. Don't put too many plugs into one outlet. There's a reason why each outlet only has 2 plug-ins. Using any more than 2 could spit sparks and start a fire.
So, if I need to plug in more, I'll always use a power strip.
3. Water mixes with a lot of things, but water and electricity, they don't mix.
They never have.
They never will.
So to avoid a really shocking accident, that means no hair dryers, no phone or game chargers, nothing plugged in near a tub or sink full of water. Play it so safe that you never even touch an electric switch when you're wet.
And hey, that means no radios near the pool either.
Number 4 is so easy you won't even have to look it up. Just look up,
Oh, you mean stay away from power lines.
especially during thunderstorms. Strong storms and wind can damage power lines, and if you see that happen, wow, get back.
And I'll get to a phone and call OG&E as fast as I can.
The same goes for power lines damaged in a car accident.
That means steer clear.
And if you're in a car and power lines are touching it, don't get out. You're actually safe in the car. But if you do need to get out, jump as far as you can without touching the car and the ground at the same time. Just remember, sagging power lines or lines knocked to the ground are dangerous, even if they're not sparking, dancing, or making a crackling sound.
But good power lines can be a danger too. So remember, don't climb power line poles or trees near a power line.
Because if one tiny little leaf touches the power line,
Number 5, it says to stay away from transformers and substations.
You know, transformers. They aren't robots. They're those little green boxes that you see around your neighborhood. And they carry enough power to light up your neighborhood.
and they could light you up too. So if you see one that's unlocked, don't touch it. Tell your mom and dad to call OG&E.
And same goes for those big substations. They're so powerful, they gotta have a big fence around them to keep people out.
In fact, best to stay away from anything with a sign like this on it.
So that's the 5 that'll keep you alive.
Never put metal objects into outlets or appliances.
Don't plug too much stuff into one outlet.
Never mix water and electricity.
Stay away from power lines.
And always stay away from transformers and substations. We've got more facts and fun at OGE.com. So come hang out at Pluggy's Outlet. You'll even find out how to make your home greener and about alternate energy sources that'll power your world into 2020 and beyond.
Okay. Stop screen share first. Let's go back here. Now let's do our word wall activity. Okay. I'm going to send the link to you. You can join now sa Conti, Ramida, and Jakrapong. You're going to use do and don'ts with the electricity. Sample number one.
This subject has
Do play kites near electrical post? Join na. I send the line already.
Teacher, this subject have quiz.
ไม่ใช่ควิสมันเป็นวอร์ดเวิร์
Okay.
Teacher, this subject have quiz.
Yes, we have. Just wait. Okay. Let's do the word wall first.
ดัน
Answer.
ดัน
Correct. Next. Number two. Climb trees near electrical posts. Do or don't?
ดัน
Very good. GIE. Next. Number three. Blank overload sockets or extension wires.
ดู
Don't. Next, number four. Blank asks for help when using new electrical device.
ดู ดู
Again?
ดู
Okay. Next. Blank stick scissor spans fingers anything into a socket.
ดัน
Okay, very good. Next, number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're not going to answer. I'm going to send the link now to you and try to answer. Okay. Atsita not answering, playing. What number are you now, Jacobo? What number? No, what number are you now? You're answering what number?
ทีเชอร์ไอเอ็นลีดเดอร์วอร์ดอินนัมเบอร์วัน
You're bored, huh? I see. Okay.
ทีเชอร์ you have finished this first
Let's wait with the others.
juvenile. So, very easy. Teacher, I am leaderboard.
Okay, who's the number one leaderboard?
Eileen. I number
In the leaderboard.
I
Who's
number
number
five.
one?
I number
Ang number one.
I number nine. Number eight.
Who's number one? Sa konti, number one? Number two, GAE.
Who number three?
Who's number three?
Me. Salakit. Me number nine. Me number three.
Okay. Then stop playing the word wall activity. Let's answer this one. Play classic. So this is now. Let's check the attendance. Those students who are not going to join. Okay, send the link. Go.
Okay.
GAE, Ot, Ramida, Jakrapong, Pawarisa, Mona, Sakonti, Tachawan,
ทำไมเข้าเร็วจังเลย Teacher, you can see my name.
Aura, someone Pat, not, okay.
Okay.
Kanyanat. Let's check the attendance.
เราอยากได้ไดโน
Ichaya,
เสาร์
Chanikan,
จัง
Sutida. Check the
Yes,
attendance. Supanat, okay. Patsita, Tanakrit, Pokinsit, okay.
ธนกฤษมีมังกรมาด้วยนะจะต้องคัดลอกมังกรเอาไว้ไม่เอาธนกิจหรอก ไม่
Next, who else? Not here.
มังกรของธนกิจคัดลอกคัดเส
Okay,
ร็จ
Panya,
มันก็มีอยู่ในอีโมจิโน้ตไม่เห็นหรอก ใช่ แต่เราขี้เกียจหาไง
Keep quiet, please. I'm going to look for the attendance.
เมื่อกี้หลุดอะแบตเตอรี่เมื่อกี้ห
Who
ลุด
else? Not here.
ปาวาลิสาเหรอออสใครคือออสน่ะ
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Supanat, number 1.
number one แล้ว ไม่เห็นมีรูปเลยทำไมมันไม่มีรูปขึ้นนะ
Teacher can I invite ข้าว
Who's that?
ไอมีน
Aura
What is that? Turn down the volume. Jan, what's question? Who's in the leaderboard na? Sa Conti, number 1. Oh, not Chawan, number 1.
Teacher
Oh,
I
tama
number
ka.
10 Teacher can play again Teacher can play again Teacher อายุสั่งเขาไปอีกเนี่ย Teacher can play again
Later, quiet first. Let's wait for the others.
I number 1 again No no play again
ไม่เพล
Number
เก
4.
ม
Number 4.
No
เพลเกม
No
no เพลเกม Teacher end game
No
เพลเกม I number 1
14.
Teacher
Ramita, 10.
Teacher play again
Okay, number 1. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Teacher can play again
No play again
Okay, not Chawan, number 3, Tamonbat, number 2,
ปากนี่ตรง
Sanakrit, number 1.
Teacher ภาษีจารถ
Teacher you play again Teacher can play again teacher
Why again?
yeah play again
Okay, stop first, and now let's do our live
No.
worksheet activity. Don't forget to write your name, your grade, and your
ฉัน
student
เขียนสารพัด
number.
เลยครับ
And please click which can cause danger. Okay, click the picture that can cause danger. Danger, it means what?
อันตราย
Very good.
อันตราย
Okay, danger. For example, cause danger. Which one here? Okay, cause danger. Example, you're going to click. Cause danger, you're going to click. Cause danger, going to click. Cause danger, going to click. Then after that, you're going to click finish. Okay?
Yeah no play again